All right, so here we are in a Node.js project. It's called, this is the Node.js project that we're in. We're going to install the Mongoose library so that we can communicate with the Mongo database, right? So to do this, we're going to use npm. We're going to install, and we're going to install the Mongoose library. Now, the Mongoose library, whenever you install a new library, always make sure to remember to add the save keyword or flag, right, which will make an entry into your package.json file so that the library is registered as a dependency. Otherwise, if your library is not listed in the package.json, if somebody is going to clone your project, if they do an npm install, right, if it's not listed in the package.json, they won't be able to use it. Right, so we're done, right? We were able to install it. If we head over now, let's head over to the to our Node.js project and start importing it and actually using the library.